The surprising truth about AI copywriting tools. Most people think AI copywriting tools are just shortcuts for lazy marketers. But here's the surprising truth. They're quickly becoming the most important tools for business growth. And the numbers prove it. According to Statista, over 80% of marketers already use some form of AI in their campaigns. That means if you're not using AI to write copy, you're falling behind. Here's the headline. AI copywriting tools don't replace creativity. They amplify it. They help you write faster, test more ideas, and focus on strategy instead of staring at a blank page. But here's the problem. Most business owners still waste hours trying to write ads, emails, and product descriptions manually. That's the problem. And it gets worse when deadlines pile up and the results still don't come. The frustration grows, and many give up or keep sending weak copy that never converts. But there's a solution. aicreatormax has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. They're all built on proven psychology like AIDA, PAS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster and finally focus on growing your business instead of writing copy all day. Try it free today. Link below. Here are 3 tips to use AI copywriting tools the smart way. Tip 1. Don't copy and paste. Use AI as your starting point, then polish it with your brand's voice. This works because personalization builds trust. Tip 2. Test multiple variations. AI makes it easy to create 3 or 4 versions of a headline or ad. This works because even small wording changes can boost results by 20% or more. Tip 3. Learn the frameworks. Tools like AIDA and PAS are built into aicreatormax, but knowing why they work helps you choose the best outputs. This works because strategy plus AI is unbeatable. Bonus tip. Use AI to save time, then spend that time connecting with customers. Because relationships are something no tool can replace. And here's a light moment. If you're still writing copy word by word, it's like chopping wood with a butter knife while everyone else is using power tools. Now you know the surprising truth about AI copywriting tools and how to make them work for you. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you master copywriting and AI for business growth. So binge the rest of the series to get the full playbook. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and comment with the one part of copywriting you struggle with most. And don't wait until your competition outpaces you. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com, because the future belongs to those who move faster.